Hello, welcome to Microlocity. I went to a swap meet today. It was a auto part swap meet, and there was a vendor there that had a bunch of Hot Wheels and NASCAR cars, and he had some M2s and stuff. But I picked these up. They were $4. These aren't really anything special. The reason I picked these up, I'm going to use these in my Halloween video, and I'll just open these up. These are all from 2001. So this is a 59 Impala. And this is a pretty cool casting. So you got the mummy on the hood. Pretty cool graphics. And something else I liked about this is the green glass. Actually makes the car look pretty cool. Even if the tampos were off of the car with just the green glass and the black paint, that'd be a pretty cool looking car. So that's the first one. And the next one is actually part of the same series as the first one. It's the Monster series. This is a 59 Cadillac. The Creature Screecher. Same thing, the graphics are pretty cool on this, the tampo work. I like the green paint, the eyeball. This one has gold 5-spokes. That's pretty cool. And this is another favorite casting of mine. This is pretty heavy casting. The ambulance, and this is the Fossil Fuel series. I think I have two of those here too, two of the Fossil Fuel series. Get that out. And this one, the saber-toothed tiger. You got the opening doors. Nice Metaflake paint. And the next one, this one, I just picked it up because I needed a third vehicle. It was either each $1 or you buy 3 for $2. So this one I just picked up. And what's this called? The MX4 48 Turbo. This says Extreme Sports Series. I wonder what the other ones are in this series. I'm not even sure I have any of these. This is the Hypno Ride. And I just got this because of the eyeball on it. Thought it kind of looked like Halloween type. This is all metal. The metal base and metal body. It's pretty heavy for how small it is. And another really cool casting, the Rigger motor. This is the Skull and Crossbones series. This is also from 2001. Get that out of there. This is also a metal base, metal body. You got some skull tampos. I like the colors on this one with the gold motor. You Got the gold bat in the front. This casting has a lot of different variations throughout the years. I always thought it was pretty cool. And a Camaro Z28, and this is another fossil fuel series, so this was the same series as the ambulance. And this is also a metal base, metal body, and I don't know how do you say that? Pterodon? Pterodon. I guess it's like a pterodactyl. Pretty cool tampo work. And this is also a coal casting. It's been along for a while, or been around for a long time. 1982 they started that casting. And that's all I got. So you'll see these cars again in my Halloween video, closer to Halloween. I picked up a bunch of other stuff too, and I'll make another video about that. So alright, there's a look at the cars. And that's the end of the video. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.